Good morning, guys. It's 6:30 a.m. and I have the keys to this SLS. Let's do a cold start. It has a Capristo valve system, so it starts off a bit not too loud, but I can turn it on for you guys. That's valve closed. Valve open. So actually, I won't wake up the neighbors with this system. Closed. Open. Let's go, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have with me a 2012 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. I'll show you all the mods that we did to this car. Let's check it out. I'll start off by saying this is not an AMG Black Series, guys. It looks like one, but it's not. It's sporting a prior design Black Series kit. So basically, we changed almost all panels here, guys. This front fender, this hood, this front bumper, the rear bumper there, and the trunk spoiler are all from prior design, Germany. So it's all made by them. It looks similar to the Black Series kit, but it's not. So yeah, we basically changed everything from this badass front bumper. With this design, it looks really gorgeous. With the long bonnet, I love it. Also, you're wondering, the prior design kit doesn't come with carbon. It comes with the plastic panels, but we custom made these carbon panels. So basically, all the carbon panels that you see here are custom made by us here in the Philippines. This is carbon as well. This is carbon fiber. These are carbon fiber. Then, I'll show you guys the Brixton Forge monoblock. I do believe this model is called PF5. It's running on Michelin tires, 265/30/20. This is a 2021 setup. So we gave this car a fresh coat of paint. The same color it had before. It's Mystic White. Brixton Forge as well, running on 325/25/21 rear. So it's wider. This is a Forge Olympic bronze from them, satin finish. This piece is carbon fiber as well, made by us. All the black panels are carbon fiber. Since this is an SLS AMG, guys, I'll show you the gull wing doors that this car is known for. So you press unlock, the handle, door handles comes out. Look at that. This car, this SLS AMG has the carbon fiber package. So this is carbon fiber, this is carbon fiber, that is carbon fiber. That's why we changed the panels to carbon fiber to match the interior. Also, I'll show you guys the engine bay. So this is the famous NA engine built by AMG. That particular guy hand-built it. Also, did you notice, guys, the engine sits behind the front axle. So technically, this is a front mid-engine car. Same as the SLR AMG that we reviewed before. They made this to make this car handle better. Even if this has a long bonnet and a long front end, it's all radiator in front. So you're expecting like the engine to be here, but it's here. This AMG platform is a V8 engine. It's 563 horsepower. We didn't do any ECU tune for this car, but we have it. So guys, we installed the full exhaust on this SLS AMG. It has a Capristo Italia exhaust and it's valve. So right now it's turned off, meaning to say the valves are closed. So not super loud. It's loud, but it's not super loud. Then I press number 4. Different tone of rumble. Then when I step on the gas, damn, I love it when it's paired with Capristo exhaust. We've installed like maybe 5 or 4 in the past already, and this is the first time that we're shooting one for our YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciate how good the sound is. Damn. Hi guys, we're inside the SLS AMG, and I could say even if this is a 10-year-old car, it still looks so gorgeous and fresh here. This has 4,188 miles only. Can you believe? For a 10-year-old car, it's super duper fresh. It's a carbon package, and I love the color combination of this car. It's white and black, just like the outside. It's like panda inside, panda outside. Okay? Benz are very reliable. There's nothing wrong with the car, even if this is a 10-year-old car. No rattling, no vibration, no anything. The build quality is very, very good. I love the aircon vents of this car. I love the Alcantara as well. This is Alcantara on the steering wheel. This is Alcantara on the roof. The seats are really, really comfortable. I know you can do a lot of miles with this car. The SLS AMG is a GT car. You can daily drive this car comfortably. But you know what? The steering is very, very precise. So that's it. Comment in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, share if you like our episode. See you guys on the next one.